The 4-day work week. Imagine waking up on a Thursday morning, knowing your weekend has already begun. You're not stressed or burnt out. You're rested, focused, and still earning the same paycheck. This isn't just wishful thinking. Recent research, including a 2022 study by Delaney and Casey, show that a well-managed 4-day work week can boost productivity, improve mental health, and even help the environment. Yet, despite this evidence, many workplaces still cling to the outdated 5-day, 40-hour model, a structure that contributes to burnout, disengagement, rising turnover rates. Poorly implemented trials have failed in the past, but it wasn't because the idea doesn't work. It was because they lacked leadership, they lacked planning, and they lacked the right strategy. Even as far back as 1977, researchers like Hartman and Weaver identified four key factors for success. Those are executive support, flexible scheduling, workload redistribution, and result focused metrics. When these are in place, the results are clear. Not only do people thrive, but so does the planet. And that is per Balsica's 2024. We even found fewer wildlife deaths during longer weekends. That's due to reduced commuting, less accidents. The benefits really do ripple far beyond the office. The solution isn't simply trimming a day off of the calendar. It's about rethinking how we work. A successful 4-day work week requires more than fewer hours. It demands a strategic shift in company culture, leadership, and operations. There are multiple models to consider. Some companies opt in for a 32-hour work week with no loss in pay, while others use 4 10-hour days. And that's giving employees input over how they manage their time and focus less on being clocked in and more on delivering real results. When companies combine this structure with mental health support, manager training, and trial programs, that adapt based on employee feedback, the benefits are profound. Improved retention, cost savings, and higher job satisfaction. Policy incentives like tax credits and federal pilot programs can also help push the movement forward. And while skeptics raise concerns, those concerns can be addressed through thoughtful design, clear communication, and gradual implementation. The research is telling us that if we do this right, everyone benefits. Now, picture your life under this system. It's Friday. Instead of rushing into a meeting, you're going on a walk, spending time with your kids, or even finally starting that side project. You return to work on Monday, and you're more energized and more productive, not dreading another grind filled day. Compare that to the status quo, exhausted employees, flatlining productivity, rising healthcare costs, and worsening environmental toll from endless commuting. With that being said, what can we do? Well, first, you can contact your local representatives to urge them to support the 4-day work week program. You can find their information at house.gov/representatives. Second, start a conversation at your workplace. Propose a small trial, share the research, and ask for leadership support. And third, spread awareness. Talk about what you've learned today with your friends, your colleagues, or even on social media. Cultural shifts start with simple conversations. We don't have to accept burnout and overwork as the normal. By pushing for smarter policies and better designed schedules, we can create a healthier, more sustainable future for ourselves, our communities, and even the planet. Thank you very much.